Hello and welcome to the DIY guide for crafting your own folio for the Supernote Nomad. First, take the front and back plates from your DIY kit and place them on a flat surface. Ensure the two magnets on the front plate are facing upward, while the two magnet shieldings on the back plate are facing downward, and the four rounded corners are facing outward. Apply an even layer of glue across the surface, making sure to cover it thoroughly for a strong and seamless bond. Take your liner and position it with the inner side facing upward, ready to be attached. Carefully stick the front and back plates onto the liner. Ensuring the four rounded corners are facing outward. Align the plates so they are level with each other, leaving a gap of approximately 17 millimeters between them. This measurement is based on the thickness of the official Supernote vegan leather folio. If you're using your own material, adjust the gap accordingly. Thicker materials will require a slightly larger gap, while thinner materials will need a smaller one. Using the screw holes on the back plate as a guide, punch 4 corresponding holes through the liner to ensure perfect alignment. Next, take your device and place the magnets on top of it. Align the 4 holes you just punched in the liner with the corresponding holes on the magnets, ensuring the magnet shielding on the back plate is facing upward. While inserting the screw, ensure it aligns perfectly with its housing compartment so that the screw sits flush with the plate, preventing any bumps or uneven surfaces. Put the 4 screws on. Now, take your outer material and apply an even layer of glue to the backside, preparing it for attachment. Carefully attach the outer material to the liner, pressing it firmly to ensure a secure and smooth bond. Finally, trim the corners to create a rounded shape, giving your folio a polished and professional finish. And that's it. Your custom folio is complete. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.